Hi guys, I'm Vanessa and I am here today at Shoes of Hollywood and I'm going to try on some shoes and review them for you. So today I have the Pleaser. This is called the Moon and it is in a chrome. So I'm excited to see what these ones are. How cute's the box though? Look at the little detail as well. Each shoe comes in a dust bag, which you should store your shoes in. If you want to take my advice, keep them in the box, stack the boxes, store the boxes under your bed, keeps them dust free, and yeah, it saves you room in your wardrobe too if you don't have a big wardrobe, which a lot of us don't. Well, I do. I've got a beautiful walk-in robe with a big shoe rack down it, but yeah. You also get a drawstring bag for when you are traveling or even to store your shoes in as well, because let's face it, the boxes do take up a lot of room in luggage. So go. All right, let's try these on. Have a look at these. They've got a little peekaboo cutout there, as well as a 6-inch, 7-inch, as well as a 7-inch heel and a platform, but it just tricks you because it's got the hole in it. Chrome all the way underneath. One of my favorite features of the Pleaser shoes as well is the base for your foot. Most high heels that you'll buy from, the high street shops will have a plasticky feel or a wooden base that you slide around. You'll get blisters on the bottom of your balls of your feet, they'll burn. The Pleaser brand have designed their shoes. They want you to wear them all night long and they want you to be comfortable, and you can tell the difference. The other one on as well. Now the Perspex will mold to the shape of your foot. So when you first get them, if they're a little bit stiff, you can heat them up just to get your foot in for the first time. When you store them, you can store them with the paper in between, but they will mold to your foot shape over time, which is good because then when someone wants to borrow them, you can say no. Ah, aren't they gorgeous? Love the chrome. Super, super high, but as you will see, not stumbling at all, not having any issues walking in them because they are designed for your comfort. So the platform, although you'll look at it and get a fright and think, oh my goodness, it's too high, the platform actually creates stability, and you'll see there's a little tilt at the front, little angle at the front of the platform, and that's so when you're walking you can maintain a normal gait without tripping over. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love the chrome. All the way under, gorgeous 7-inch heel. Now how about we go outside and see this chrome in the sunlight. Oh, love it. Look at the reflection on the ground. Imagine that on a stage or a dance floor. Look at it. So once again, you can see I've got absolutely no problem walking in them, turning in them. Super, super comfortable. Like I said, I'll show you a close-up. That front makes it easier to walk in. You can maintain a normal walk. Look at that reflection on the ground. Isn't that gorgeous? And I love the cutout detail. Kind of creates a little illusion. These are super comfortable, super sturdy. No issues. So with the clear top too, it means that you can wear them with any colour. And the chrome as well. Just a universal, go with anything. No issues on carpet either. As with all Pleaser heels of this heel height, they do have the rubber on the platforms, which really help with slipping. You don't want something made of wood and sliding all over the place. And I'll show you from the side. Woo! These are amazing. I am in love. So these might have to be a new one in the collection. What do you think? Might need a second walk-in robe. Might have to turn that fourth bedroom into another wardrobe just for shoes. Okay, so I'll take these ones off. So quick and easy. And even just wearing them for that long, that perspex, I can't even, like, it's really, really comfortable. So there you go, guys. Comment if you think I should turn my fourth bedroom into a room for shoes. And if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when a new video has been published. Click thumbs up for a like, and I'll see you next time.